Welcome to the last video in my series on what it's like to learn the Woovebox. If you're interested in learning the Woovebox yourself, I highly recommend a YouTube channel called Wooveboxing. I'll include a link in the description below. My original intent with this series was to show what it was like to learn how to use the device, some of the pitfalls and snags, and some of the triumphs, and to show you about how long it takes. So it took me about 3 weeks from when the device arrived in the mail until I can now just focus on creating music. I will be back every once in a while when I get some interesting effects, when I come up with a new technique, discover some advanced techniques. I'll come back and share that with y'all, but it won't be very often. Part of the reason for that is that I work in the movies. I'm a scenic painter on the big films. And this year we had a lot of time off because the writers and the actors were both being bullied by the producers. They had to strike in order to get their demands met to be treated reasonably. I fully support my union brothers and sisters, and I'm glad that they had their demands met and we can all go back to work. My union has to negotiate a contract next year, so let's hope the producers learned their lesson and we don't have to strike. So now that where I've gotten with the Woovebox, I always have it in my pocket when I'm out hiking, when I'm out with my friends. And the other day I was out somewhere and a friend of mine remembered that she had an important Zoom meeting that she had to take. So she sat in the car and did her Zoom meeting. I took my Woovebox out to a picnic table and sat and spent about 45 minutes composing a piece of music, which is what we're listening to right now. This week I've also learned live mode, so I'm going to use the rest of this video to show you that complete piece and show you what it's like to perform a piece of music in live mode. This piece of music was started with the randomization features that were just introduced into the firmware, and after that a lot of tweaking the sounds, tweaking the track transitions, and getting everything to work. But now that I've got everything composed, I can sit and push some buttons and turn some knobs and perform a live piece of music from this machine slightly bigger than a credit card. It's pretty amazing. So let me go on and perform that piece for you. Thanks so much for tuning into this channel. I appreciate it. And good luck on your journey to learn the Woovebox.